Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to pin and unpin messages on Facebook Messenger. This feature is incredibly useful when you want to highlight important information in a conversation, like meeting times, addresses, or key details that you need quick access to. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, you'll want to open a conversation in Facebook Messenger. This can be any chat where you want to pin an important message, whether it's a group conversation with friends or a one-on-one chat with a colleague. Once you have the conversation open, you can see all your messages displayed on the screen. Now navigate through the conversation and find the specific message you want to pin. This could be any message that contains information you want to keep at the top of your chat for easy reference. Maybe it's someone sharing an address, a reminder about an event, or any other detail you don't want to lose track of in a long conversation thread. Once you've located the message you want to pin, press and hold on that message. After holding for a moment, you'll see a menu appear on your screen with several options for that particular message. This menu gives you various actions you can take with the selected message. At the bottom of this menu, you'll see an option that says More. Go ahead and tap on More to reveal additional actions you can perform on this message. This expands your options beyond the initial menu and gives you access to more advanced features. In the expanded menu that appears, you'll now see an option labeled Pin. Tap on Pin and the message will immediately be pinned to the top of your conversation. Once pinned, this message will stay at the very top of the chat, making it easy for anyone in the conversation to find and reference it quickly without scrolling through the entire message history. Now, if you ever need to unpin that message, the process is just as simple. Find the pinned message again in your conversation. You'll notice it's now displayed at the top of the chat with a pin indicator showing it's been pinned. Press and hold on that pinned message again, just like you did before. The same menu will appear on your screen with various message options. Tap on More at the bottom of the menu once again to access the additional actions. This time, instead of seeing Pin, you'll see an option that says Unpin. Tap on Unpin and the message will be removed from the pinned position at the top of your conversation. It will return to its original place in the chat thread, and the conversation will no longer have that message highlighted at the top. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to pin and unpin messages on Facebook Messenger, giving you better control over important information in your conversations. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.